Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at the while statement in Python. So we're going to write a little script, and it's going to be a little guessing game. So the first thing we're going to do is correct guess equals 9. So we're going to set that we want the user to guess the number 9. So we need an input guess, and say guess please, like so. And now we use a while loop. So our guess is not equal to correct guess, and then we've got a level of indentation. So this is simply saying, okay, while it checks guess against correct guess, and this will return true, which will return true or false. Exclamation mark equals is just the Python syntax for not equals. And now in here we're going to say, okay, if you don't guess the correct guess, we want you to guess again. So, but we're going to help you. So if the guess is bigger than the correct guess, we want you to re-input guess. So previous guess was too high. Otherwise, we want you to input a guess, but this time stating that previous guess was too low. And so all this will happen inside this while loop. So it'll guess this, and it'll go through this process, and once that's finished, it'll go back here. It'll go back here and it'll check whether or not guess is equal to or not correct guess. And then once it's out of this while statement, out of this while loop, it goes to the print. And note here the levels of indentation. We've got a first level of indentation, which corresponds to the while loop, and other levels of indentation, which correspond to this if statement. Okay, so we run this. So I'm gonna save that as demo2.py, and that's asking me to guess. So I'm gonna guess number 4. That was too low, so I'll guess the number 32. That was too high. Let me guess the number 10. It was too high. So as you see, we're still in this loop here. 10's too high. All right, what about 8? That's too low. Well, it must be 9. Great guess. I would have exited it. And that's a while loop in Python.